Hey everyone, if you are here, you are probably stressed out about a fault hard drive, right? Ever panic over deleted client purpose, unreadable portable drives with kid videos, or vanished internal partitions? I lost half a month's Egyptian materials last month. I almost cried staring at the dead drive. I get that, hard work gone pan. Don't panic, today we fix hard drive data loss, internal or external, accidental deletion, formatting or corruption with PandaOffice Drecov. No complex steps, had the hard drive scare? Drop a comment to vent, then we'll fix it. Subscribe for weekly tech tips, faster answers next time your device acts up. Step 1. Why data disappears? Avoid mistakes. Before fix, let's spot data loss traps. Top issue, human error, deleting wrong files, empty recycle bin by mistake, or formatting the wrong drive. Hardware problems too. Dropping, wetting, external drives damages heads, old internal drives get bad sectors, sudden power cuts corrupt files, a co-worker's dropped drive show it, not format, lost all projects. Key fact, data is usually marked overwritable, not gone. Golden rule, stop using the drive immediately after data loss. Save new files, use recovery chains. Remember this. Step 2. 0C OST fixes first recycle bin. Disk check. No software needed first. If you deleted files normally, no Shift K, check recycle bin. Right click, restore. Done in 30 seconds. If your recycle bin is empty or drive says not format, use Windows, disk check, right click, drive. Properties, tools, check. It fixed minor errors. Working from a co-worker's dropped drive. Still stuck? Bring in PandaOffice Drecov. Step 3. Ultimate Fix PandaOffice Drecov walkthrough. PandaOffice Drecov fixing Python recycle bins, formatting, missing partitions. I've used it 3 times, 100% success. Prep, drive to recover. Windows PC, Drecov. Download via comment link. Free trial to scan first. Quick scan, 5 to 10 minutes for deletions, or deep scan, 10 to 30 minutes for formatting or corruption. Select the lost data drive, don't mix up partitions. Click Start Scan. Preview files to avoid junk. Then recover. Save to a different drive, never back to the original. It risks docs, videos, photos, zips. Quick scan misses, use deep scan. Step 4. Troubleshooting and readable drives noises. Tricky issues? Handled by case. Drive not showing up, try a new USB port or PC. Loose connections happen. Fix a friend's drive with a Type-C port swap. No noise but unreadable. Use Drekov's partition recovery. Scans missing partition. Brought back my neighbor's E drive. Clicking, noise, overheating, stop touching. Physical damage, broken heads, takes one for dust-free repair plus Drecov recovery. Worth the cost to save data. Recap, stop use the drive after loss, check recycle bin or disk check for minor issues, use Drecov, save to other drive for tough case, pro help for physical damage. Recover data with Drecov, have hard drive hacks, sharing comments to help others. Subscribe for USB and fun data rescue tips. Easy for everyone. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Here's to reliable drives and safe data. Bye!